Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the Gourmet Grandad. It's Rog here, and today's recipe is going to be a classic broccoli frittata. It's a great little snack, well tasty and easy to do as well. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I do this one. For this recipe we're going to need these ingredients. We've got some broccoli florets here that have been freshly steamed, 4 whole fresh eggs. We're going to need 2 cups of cheddar cheese, some milk. I've got about half a cup of milk here. I'm going to be using some garlic. I'm going to use about 3 cloves of this garlic bulb chopped up, 1 sliced white onion and a teaspoon of mixed herbs. We'll make a start by getting a bowl and mixing the eggs together. Once they're mixed together, we're going to add the milk. We'll pour that in, keep on mixing, and then we're going to add cheddar cheese. It's been grated up quite finely, so in goes 1 handful, and then I'm going to pile in the rest. I love this delicious cheesy sauce. And at this point I'm going to add a bit of seasoning, some freshly cracked black pepper, and of course some delicious sea salt. Then we can give it another whisk, then set it to one side. Moving over to the stove, we put a pan on the heat. It's a medium heat. Add some cooking oil, then add our onions. We're going to cook these down, or some people say sweat these down, just for a little while. We want to get them nice and soft. Then we can add the garlic, because we don't want to put it in at the same time in case garlic burns. Give this a mix around, then add our steamed broccoli florets. Pile those all in and distribute those quite evenly. Then we can pour over our eggy cheesy mixture over the top, and if there's any little bits of broccoli sticking up, just poke them down a bit. If a few stick up, doesn't really matter. They'll get brown and toasty looking, beautiful. So we're going to keep this on the hob for about 15 minutes until it starts to set, and then we're going to transfer it to the grill and let it cook over the top and make sure it's cooked right the way through. Of course, if you've got an oven proof pan, then it can go in the oven, and when it's finished it can be served hot or cold. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Take care and bye for now.